So what I've observed is you've classed pets without permission.
She's my emotional support animal, and you're not legally allowed to question what she's emotionally supporting. Therefore, I can have her.
But we do have concerns about student allergies, so we request that you fill out proper paperwork before introducing them to the classroom. Additionally, I did notice that 7 of your 26 students were not participating in class when I last observed you.
Well, I didn't even notice that they weren't participating, probably because they're always pretty heckin' quiet. So, I mean, I guess I could work on that, but they just sit in the back and giggle and laugh and stuff every time I bring up a topic. So, as long as they're being quiet, they're fine.
Well, I would suggest that you would really try to get them actively engaged in future classes. I understand that they might not be bothering you in class, but their education really should come first, even though that they are minding their own business in the back of the class. So based on my experience as a teacher, I can give you a few suggestions to possibly help you with students that might be struggling with participation. You might be able to stand near them, do some small group instructions, break the class into different groups, very small groups too, groups of 3. Since there were 7 of them, maybe you could break them up to blend with other groups in the class too, so they don't learn from each other's behaviors or rely on only each other. You can also monitor the groups while they're working, and at discussion times, maybe you can offer them additional points for participating. How do you feel about those suggestions?
Well, I think standing by them is impractical because I have other things to do than teach certain children one at a time, so I don't think that'll work. I think standing in front of the class makes it easier for everybody to learn, but breaking up in small groups might work. It might be a little confusing for the non-honor students, just because they can get distracted. And also, what was the other one that you said?
Just standing in the back of the room in proximity to them.
Oh, I guess I could like heck and try that or something like that.
Okay, so what you're saying is that you would like to try standing in the back of the room?
Yeah, I'll try that. I'll give it a go.
So, what do I need to do to help you with this?
Well, maybe since I didn't notice those quiet students as I was teaching, maybe you could sit in, give me some more pointers, and I'll try that standing in the back instead of the front. That way I can observe everyone, them hecking kids, and see how it goes from there.
All right, we'll talk again later. Thanks.
Sounds good, Coach.